Hi everybody, what's going on? It's SDF again, and in today's tutorial I want to show how you can add Keyplan in Revit. So let's get started. Okay, now I'm in Revit. This is my plan in my title block, and I want to use a very little Keyplan here in this blank area. As an example, my plan has two different portions. One is about my kitchen here, and the other one is about my living room. I want to present them in separate sheets so that I can show more details of each one. First of all, I go to my project browser panel. I find my main plan here. I right click on it, hit duplicate view, duplicate as a dependent, and I do the same process once more, duplicate view, duplicate as a dependent. Let's rename one of them as my kitchen and the other one as my living room. The reason to copy as dependent is that when you change the scale of your main plan, the other plans will change too, and that's all we want for this special subject. I go to my kitchen plan and I check crop view and crop region visible here in my properties, and I set the region I want to keep as my kitchen here, and after that I uncheck crop region visible to avoid seeing these lines in our final result, and I do the same for my living room. Then I go to my sheets. Here I right click on it, hit new sheet, okay, and another new sheet here, and let's rename one of them as my kitchen and the other one as my living room. Now I drag my living room plan here and I go to my kitchen sheet and I drag my kitchen plan here in my sheet. Okay, everything is ready. Let's draw our key plan. Okay, to do this I go to my plan, I right click on it, hit duplicate, a simple duplicate here, and let's change the scale to a very small size here. Let's say that 1 to 500 is okay, and let's rename it as our key plan. Now I go to one of my sheets and I drag my key plan here in this blank area. Now I can select my key plan, and in properties I can select no title to avoid seeing this title here, and then I go to annotate and detail line, and let's draw the outside line of our plan here, and also the boundary of my kitchen and my living room. And after that we can select our main plan and hit delete, and this is our key plan. I can select all of these lines and hit Ctrl C on keyboard, or I can go to modify and hit copy here. Okay, now it's time to use a new family here. For this I go to file, new, family, and then I go to my family templates, English, annotation, and I select metric generic annotation here, and then I hit open. As you know, when you open a new family, first of all you have to hit UN and set the parameter to meters, hit OK, and I select these red lines here and hit delete, and now I can hit Ctrl V on my keyboard and I place my key plan here in the center, and then I can go to create and hit field region and draw a rectangle for my kitchen here, and also I draw a rectangle for my living room here. Now it's time to make some parameters to set the visibility of our rectangles here. I select my kitchen rectangle here, I go to visible here, and I select this little icon here and new parameter, and I name it as kitchen. Make it instance to see it in our main project, hit OK. And for my living room, I select this little icon here again, new parameter, living room, make it instance, and OK. Then I go to file, save my project somewhere. Let's have it in my desktop as Keyplan. Make it once, OK, save, and then hit load into project. Now I go to my kitchen sheet here, and let's get rid of these lines. I go to annotate symbol and put my Keyplan here, and I go to my living room sheet, put my Keyplan here too. Then I go to my kitchen sheet, and that's the interesting part of this tutorial, because if you select this symbol, you can check the visibility of your rectangles. For example, in my kitchen sheet, I don't need my living room rectangle, so I uncheck it and I go to my living room sheet, and let's select our symbol and uncheck kitchen. So there we are, we have our Keyplan in Revit. You may say that, come on SDF, I can just go to my sheet and draw a simple rectangle here, but let me say that no, you can't. If you go to annotate, you don't have this region tool active here. So it was the correct and professional way to add Keyplan and Revit. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you in next one.